Here I got a 13 Sonata, and I just pulled the filter out, the cabin filter. You see all that crap on there. So some of that dropped down in the blower motor, and when I turn it on you can hear a kind of a vibration noise. So now I got to drop the motor and empty all that debris out. So that's what we're going to do on this one. So we got this cover here. I'm going to get a different light. So we're going to do these clips here. I'm just going to reach your finger in there, feel a little tab, and pull it towards you. There's 3 of them. Drop this little shield down. It just connects right in the back there. There's little hooks there, there's plastic sticking out. They just kind of go into a hole and rest there. Set that aside. Now here's the motor, and we should have 3 screws. Oh. Maybe this one's a twist in. So this one's a twist in, so there's 1 screw that's kind of back here in the back. Better light. There's right there is a screw. You can see this twist. And now we'll see what's in there making the noise. And there you go. We're going to empty that out, put it back up, and the noise will be gone. So a lot of vibration noise when you turn on the blowers and stuff like that is because there's stuff in there.